Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 38. Try the program to fill an array elements with random numbers, then count the even numbers. Count them this time, okay? Don't add them to the second array or array number 2. No, this time count the even numbers of the random numbers that the compiler will return them and store them in array 1. Count how many even numbers we have only from the array 1, okay? For example, if the user input 5, the output should be the elements of array 1 are 56, 74, 1, 69, 65. This is 5 random numbers. We fill them in array 1. But the even numbers from array 1 are 2. We have just 2 even numbers. What are they? 56 and 74. Because if you mod them with 2, they will give you 0. 1 and 69 and 65. If you mod them with 2, they will give you different numbers or 1. Okay? So let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're going to convert this requirement into code. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 38. Write a program to fill an array elements with random number. Then count the even numbers only from array 1. We have generate random number. Get the array element with random number procedure to fill the array, and we have display array to display to print it. Okay, and we have this function get the even numbers. It's same exactly like get the even numbers to add them, but this time not to add them, to account them. We will have integer counter equals 0 for statement. If I less than array of length, like for example 5 random numbers we have, if array of I mod 2 equals 0, count it. If the number, the first random number that we stored inside the array, if when we mod it with 2 it gives us 0, so it's even number counter plus plus. So the counter will hold for us how many even numbers we have it in array with that random numbers. We are going to return them by using get array elements with random numbers. And here in the main function, what we do, just we call them srand and sign time null and integer array. We have this to fill it, to fill the array 1 and length, and we don't have array 2. Directly we display the first array that we fill it with random numbers, and after that we see out less than. This time see out less than. Why? Because get the even numbers, it's a function, not procedure this time. We change it from void to integer because it will return value, which is it will return counter. Don't forget to do this, okay? And you will ask me why it's not work later. Because you not change it from procedure to function. Function always we have to use with it cout object, and less than get the even numbers, we call the function. And we have it, we give it array 1 and array length. It will give us how many even numbers we have it in our array. Let's do run just to check it out together. Perfect. Once it is run, the command display for us, please insert how many elements do you want to get. Let's say 5 elements. The elements of array 1 are 58, 73, 52, 99. The even numbers from array 1 are 2. We have just 2 even numbers from these 5 elements. Just let's do here space. How many elements you want? 5 elements I want. Perfect. The elements of array it's 53, 65, 93, 17, 19. The even numbers from array 1 are 0. We don't have even numbers. Let's do run again and put more elements. For example, 10. Perfect. We have 4 even numbers. Not number 4 is the even number. No, we have 4 even numbers within our random numbers that we stored them inside array 1. Okay. This time to account the even numbers that exist or within our random numbers that we store them in array 1 or inside the array. We don't have array 2 here to say array 1. Okay, that was the lesson of today, and that was the problem of today, problem number 38. Write a program to fill an array elements with random numbers, then count. Okay, count the even numbers only from array 1. See you next lesson, next problem.